Okay, dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today, day 6. So many students was having confusion in day 6 as well as there is misprint. So, I am going to explain subtraction of fraction by drawing method. First one part, that example is 4 by 7 minus 2 by 5. How to subtract by drawing method, that we are going to learn. First step is we have to represent both the fractions by drawing. First one fraction is 4 by 7. Already you have seen we have divided the rectangle into 7 equal parts, and we are going to shade out of 7 parts, we are going to shade 4 parts. This is one first part, this one is second part, this one is third part, and this one is fourth part. Clear my idea? Means we have represent first one fraction by drawing. Now we are going to represent second fraction by drawing. Here we have to shade 2 parts, and in this horizontally, in this vertically, how many parts we have to shade? 2 parts. This one part and this is second part. Okay, my dear. Now step 1 is complete. We have represent both the fractions by drawing. Now in next we have to overlap these two, this one and this one. First of all, we are going to represent this one fraction here, and then this one. Here we have shaded how many parts? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here also we are going to shade 4 parts like this. This is one part, this is second part, this one is third part, and this one is fourth part. Clear, my dear? Now we represent this one fraction. Now we are going to represent this one fraction. These two parts we are going to shade. How many parts we have to shade? Only 2. But sorry, हमने शेड किया 3 पार्ट्स को, हमें शेड करना था खाली 2 पार्ट्स को. Okay, my dears. Now we represent both the fractions, both the drawing in one drawing. In addition, we know we have to count, but here we have to cancel. But which are double shaded, those we have to count in addition by 2 times, but here we have to cancel. One from this shading, one from this shading. You can see here, this one is having both the shades of this one fraction and this one fraction double shading. So this one cancel. Okay, one from this shade, one from this shade. Here also cancel. One from first fraction, another from second fraction. Here also one from first fraction, another from second fraction. Here also one from first fraction, another from second fraction. And here also one from first fraction, another from second fraction. Here also one from first fraction, another from second fraction. Here also one from first fraction, another from second fraction. Those double shaded वो हमने cancel कर दिया. अब क्या करेंगे? Now we are going to cancel one from this shading and one from this shading. One from this fraction, one from this fraction. You can see one from black shades and another from green shade. Okay. Now here one from black, one from green. Now here one from green, one from black, one from green. Here one from black, one from green. Here we have to cancel one from green, one from black. Here we have to cancel one from green, one from black. And now we have to check how many remain left, how many we have not cancelled. Just see here, first of all, how many parts are here? You can see these are 35 parts. How many parts? 35 parts. And now how many remain left? That you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So answer is 6 by 35. This is by drawing method. And now by converting them into like, how we can subtract. So again, what we have to do, we have to find LCM of the denominators. We know LCM of 7 and 5, that is 35. We are going to write here LCM of 7 and 5 is 35. Done. Now next, we have to find the equivalent fraction of first fraction with LCM as denominator. What is first fraction? That is 4 by 7, and denominator we have to keep 35. Now which number we will multiply to 7 so that product is 35, that is 5. Upside also we will multiply 5. So 4 5 are 20, 7 5 are 35, and another fraction is 2 by 5. Now we have to find equivalent fraction of second fraction with LCM as denominator, that is 2 by 5, and denominator we have to keep the LCM, that is 35. Now which number will multiply? 7, so that product is 35. Upside also we are going to multiply by 7. 2 7 are 14, 5 7 are 35. Now you can see both the fractions are the like fractions. Why? Because their denominator is same. Now last step, we have to subtract the equivalent fractions, that is 20 by 35 minus 14 by 35. You can see denominator is same here, so we can write downside 35, upside directly 20 minus 14, that is 6. So by this way also we got answer 6 by 35, and by this way also we got answer 6 by 35. Allah Hafiz. Now in another day plan you have confusion, inshallah in next lecture I am going to clear that. Allah Hafiz.